All right, let's talk about procrastination. You know, that thing you're probably doing right now instead of whatever you should be doing. Don't worry, I'm not here to judge. I'm here because I've been there. Staring at a blank screen, scrolling through memes, or suddenly deciding my kitchen cabinets need to be reorganized at 11 p.m. when I have a deadline. Sound familiar? Yeah, thought so.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high-quality stick figure animations for YouTube, step by step, using free AI tools. Whether you're looking for a stick figure animation tutorial or seeking AI content creation tips, this guide has everything you need to launch your own profitable faceless YouTube channel. Stay until the end because, as always, I get straight to the point. By watching the full video, you'll learn all the crucial steps, plus one exclusive secret that no one else is sharing. If you're ready to turn this into a money-making YouTube automation channel, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. For script writing, I'm going to use Deepseek AI. I'm going to generate a video script for procrastination. Using Deepseek AI, basically, what you need to do is copy the promptee in Google Doc that I share in the description. Replace the topic with your video's topic. Generate a script for a 3 to 4 minute long video. As you can see here, it only took me several seconds to generate this full script. This is just my opinion, but I think Deepseek AI is better at creating unique and interesting video scripts than ChatGPT. That's why I started using Deepseek. This video script is exactly what I was looking for. With your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with a professional-sounding voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. Here's how. Go to 11 Labs. Link in the description. Click on the text-to-speech feature. Select a natural, casual voice style. Avoid robotic or overly dramatic voices unless they fit your niche. Copy and paste your script into the platform. Click Generate and download the audio file. Now comes the fun part, animating your stick figures. Here's how. Log into Canva and create a new project. Set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels, YouTube standard. Upload your voiceover files to Canva and drag them into the timeline. Adjust the scenes to match the voiceover. Use the Elements tab to find clean, minimal paper backgrounds for your animations. Pro tip: click on the lock icon to lock the background in place for a seamless edit. Next, add stick figure graphics. Search for Sasek in Canva's Elements tab. There are plenty to choose from. Match the stick figures to your script. Example: if the script says, "Let's talk about procrastination," use a stick figure watching TV. If the scene is about screen time, add a stick figure watching TV or using a phone with a clock icon to emphasize the passage of time. Split scenes efficiently. Press S to split into a new scene while keeping the same background. Delete the previous stickman and replace it with one that aligns with the next part of the script. I've animated the first 20 seconds. Now let's add text overlays to highlight key points using playful fonts. Now, let's add background music. Use YouTube's audio library to avoid copyright issues. Upload the music to Canva. Reduce the volume to match the voiceover. Finally, download the video as an MP4 file. And with that, the video is complete. Before you go, did you know small creators are earning $10,000 plus per month from faceless YouTube channels? Check out my previous video on untapped niches for inspiration.